Good morning, students. My name is Edison Bueno. From my point of view, human began our evolution and they have general that I need resort to design invents and create therefore is considered that it have general great environmental pollution as well as the student carried or had shown by the environment minister. Is organized and the people and the pollution continue and contaminate the earth in this way and going to win and to suffer irreparable damage. We must make more decision about now to generate this that not cause environmental the main world continue to evolution. The people must change their habitat and start planning trees and not putting the river. Well, college and tutor, this is my things about the subject. Thank you.